Hello, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes and you are healthy enough. Now, as you know that we have completed our first chapter and today we are going to start our second chapter, saving water. Now, tell me one thing. What do you mean by listening these words, saving water? What is this thing? Saving water. Okay, let me tell you. Saving water means to save our water. You have seen many homes, in many houses, or in many places that when you brush your teeth, most of the people just let the tap open and you just start brushing your teeth, and the water comes out and out. You don't close it until you brush your teeth. All thing is over. It is open only. It is not closed. Yes, you have seen that. And in most of the time we have seen that when we have opened the tap of our water and we have to fill a bucket, if the bucket is filled and water is coming out, then also it is open. You might forgot to turn it off. Many reasons are there behind. So that all factors doesn't save the water. It just waste the water. Yes, and there is lot of scarcity of water. In India it is very much scarcity of water. People don't get water to drink, and here we are wasting the water. You have some of the waste water. What you do? You just flow it off from the roads. You just spread it anywhere. You can use this water to give waters to your plants, or you can use the water to do many more things. है ना? There are a lot of uses of water. We need water for everything. You know that. Yes. So saving water is very necessary. We can save the water if we want. We have to not and never waste the water, because we don't know what will happen in the future. We are getting the water. It is our good luck. We should be grateful. Many of the peoples in India, in villages, don't get the water. Clear? So, everyone, promise me, nobody will waste the water. You will just save the water. While brushing your teeth, you will turn off the tap. When you have done your brushing, then you'll open it and wash your face. You will not waste water. Clear to everyone? Now, moving on. I know you are the good children. You will never waste the water. But if you see also that somebody is wasting the water, you should stop him there itself. Clear? Now, let's move on. We live on earth because we have water. It is clear to everyone. We live on earth because we have water. Our earth is covered, half of our earth is covered with water. That's why we are able to live here. Otherwise, we will not be able to live. With air we can live? No, we need water also in equal amount, because our body is made, half of our body is made of water. So we need water for our survival. जीने के लिए पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Clear? Now, moving on. When we are thirsty, we drink water. Thirsty means need to drink water. So when we are thirsty, we drink water. Nowadays it is a summer season. We need more water for our body, because sweats come out every time wherever we sit, because it is too hot nowadays. So we need lot of waters to drink so that the energy can be maintained. We can do as many work as we can do. Clear? Moving on. Water helps us stay fit and healthy. It is very necessary. We should just wake up in the morning and drink 1 glass of water. Many of them have the habit that they wake up in the morning and drink water to stay fit and healthy, because when you drink water in the empty stomach, the water, because our body is made up of half of the water, I told you, so it absorbs it and gives you energy. Clear? We also use water for many other things like washing clothes, dishes, bathing, gardening and farming. Now here it is told that we use water for many other things. It is clear? Yes, you use water for many things like washing clothes. For washing you use washing dishes. You wash your plates, your spoon, your glass with water. Bathing, you need to bath. Okay. Gardening, for the plants, water is necessary. And farming. Even animals and birds depend on water. Not only humans, but animals and birds also depend on water. They sit and bath in water when it is very warm. Nowadays all of the terrestrial animal means the animal who lives on land needs water when it is very warm, because they have to, their body need to be get cold. How it can get cool? By sitting in the water. If they start to roam here and there on the road with this much hot and bright sun, did their body get cool anytime? No, it can't get cool. You need some water so that it can get cool. They drink water from ponds or lakes. Yes, many of the ponds and lakes are there from where these animals get water to drink. Clear everyone this page? Now move to next page. What are the difficulties that animal face when there is less water? Now it is asked the difficulties that animal face when there is less water. Now what will happen when there will be the less water? Can anyone tell me? Yes, if there will be no water in their body, they will lose the energy. They can't work. They can't even stand. Many of the terrestrial animals, because you know that the pet animals get the water because where they are pet, the house members give them the water. But the animals who are in the on the road, who are roaming here and there, from where they will get the water? They have to go search for the pond, lake, so that they can drink water. Like that they can't get the water. So these are the difficulties, and having less water in the body may cause to their death also, because it is too summer nowadays. You know that you need water for everything. So these are the difficulties, and the water is wasted by us, so many of the animals don't get the water. Yes, so we should never waste the water. Now here is one story about saving the water, how the water is wasted and how we have to save. So let us read this story and understand how we can save the water. Moving on to story, let us see what is there. Amit and Puneet are brothers. Okay, here two boys are there. They are brothers, Amit and Puneet. After a fun game of cricket, they go home to freshen up. They were having the game of cricket and then they gone to home to freshen up. Freshen up means to just after playing, you also after playing go to home, just wash your face, sit for some times to relax. Same way they also wanted to get relaxed. Now Amit goes to the washroom. He washes his face and takes a shower. Amit and Puneet were two brothers. So firstly, Amit go to the washroom and he washes his face. You also splash some water on your face and you come out. But he what done? He washes his face and takes a shower. He also bath there. He washes his face and bath. He forgets to turn the tap and shower off. He comes out. Oh my God. Now you have seen, I have told you now, you should never forget. There are many reasons that people forget to do these all things. So he forgot to turn the tap off and shower off. He comes out. Now let us see what happens. Puneet, now it is your turn to take a shower. Now he is telling to his brother. Amit is telling to Puneet, now it is your turn to go and take shower. Now he is going to take the shower. Puneet enters the washroom, but there is no water in the tap or shower. Now you have listened in second stanza that he came out without turning off the tap. Now there was no water left in the tap and shower because all water got wasted. है ना, सारे वो पानी तो चला गया, सब वो खोल के नल आ गया था तो पानी सारा वेस्ट हो गया. Now let us see what happens next. Amit, why is water not coming from the taps? Now he is asking to his brother, Amit, do you know why the water is not coming from the tap? Now they are calling, Mom, come quickly. Mom, come quick. They are calling to their mom. These problems arise, we all call to our mom because she is only the one person that had the solution. Now let us see what happened. Oh no, how did this happen? Now this Puneet is telling, oh no, what has this happened? The tap had stopped because all the water is gone. Now they are discussing about this, that tap has stopped because all the water has gone. पानी तो सारा खत्म हो गया. I forgot to turn off the tap. I am so sorry. Now this Amit understood that he just forgot to turn off the tap, and that's why whole water have gone. So here we have seen what in this page? We have seen that there were two brothers, Amit and Puneet. They had played a game of cricket and came back to freshen up. Now firstly, Amit goes to the washroom. He takes shower and without turning off the tap comes out and tells his brother Puneet that it is your chance to go and take shower. Now, as soon as Puneet enters the washroom, he sees that all the water is gone. Yes. Now, he asks Amit, where is the water? Why the water is not coming from the tap? Now, they both shouted, let's call mom. Mom comes and here Amit understands his mistakes and says, I forgot to turn off the tap. Clear this page to everyone. So for today we'll do up to this much. Okay, I hope this page is clear and you understood that wasting water is a major issue. We should never waste the water, otherwise we only have the problem. We will only not get the water to do our work. So never waste the water. Okay, on the next period we'll see the next part. For today this much only. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your homes. I hope you enjoyed the session.